came to America towards Ellis Island were from Eastern and Southern Europe. They came to escape the poverty and religious intolerance that existed in countries such as Italy, Poland, and Russia. They began their journey to America on foot, horseback, or train, and they boarded a steamship. The ships divided passengers by wheels and class. First and second class passengers stayed in staterooms and cabins, and people who were in the third class called it steerage, which was a large and open space at the bottom of the ship. They often came from different countries, spoke different languages, and belonged to different religions.
When they arrived in New York Harbor, passengers outside on the ships were crowded and dirty. The first thing they saw was the Statue of Liberty, a famous symbol of America. Health officials controlled passengers in the harbor. Doctors checked the health of first and second class passengers, but the third class passenger had to pass the immigration processing. The immigration process began on the stairs that led to the register room. Doctor watched each people. They looked for people who had showed signs of health problem. Doctor checked on the stairs for trachoma, a very contagious eye disease. And for that, doctor used a tool called a button hook. And people with the disease were often sent back to their home country.
The registry room was called the Great Hall because it's a big hall with vaulted ceiling. Many immigrants had never seen such a large indoor space. People in order were in the waiting area, ready to receive medical and legal inspection. There was intense noise in the room. Each person could enter the country right away, or whether that person's case required further review.
The doctor of this island developed a system to identify immigrants who needed medical attention. The first stage was a 6-second physical. If someone was considered a risk to the people's health, his or her clothes were marked by a piece of chalk with an identifying letter. X denoted insanity, a P denoting pulmonary problems. Immigrants who pass the 6-second exam continue for the legal inspection.
When the steamship arrived, the official at Ellis Island had a list of names and description of each passenger. One by one, the immigrants speak with the inspector and he asked him 29 questions. For example, what is your occupation? What is your destination? And if the answers are different than the answers listed on the manifest, the passenger could be detained.
Ellis Island was the isle of hope for many people, but she could be the isle of tears for immigrants who failed the health or legal inspection. Legal detainees might wait a few days or even a month. People who were detained for medical reasons were cared at the hospital. They were treated, and medicine decided to allow him into the United States or to send him back.
After the medical and legal inspections, the immigrants arrived in staircase composed of 3 aces. If they were traveling west or south, they used the right side of staircase. If they were going to New York City or the north, they used the left side of staircase. Or, if they were being detained, they used the center aces. At the bottom of the stairs was a post office, a ticketing office for the railways, and social workers to help the immigrants. There was also an office to exchange money because immigrants needed money.
An area became known as the kissing post. It got that nickname because it is where family and friends waiting for their loved ones. After months of years apart, they kissed and hugged and shouted with joy and relief. And the immigrants were in America.
Nowadays, a lot of important American inhabitants come from immigration.
We can see cultural celebrity like the journalist Oprah Winfrey or the actor Will Smith.
Sports celebrity like the basketball Michael Jordan or the golfer Tiger Woods.
Or political celebrity like the President or the First Lady Barack and Michelle Obama.
In the country, immigrant rate is high. However, there is many discrimination against this population who work hard to try to improve.